How to Track a Truck by Jason Carter Eaton, illustrated by John Rocco. Read aloud by Big Papa Scott. If you want a pet truck, and who doesn't, you've come to the right person. I've got 2 dump trucks and a fire engine myself. I think everyone should have one. And that's why I wrote this book. By the time you're done, you'll know everything you need in order to track, catch, and tame your very own pet truck. Obviously, you can't just walk down to your local pet store and say, "May I please have a tow truck?" They'd think you were bananas. Trust me, I've tried it. No, you have to look for your truck in its native habitat. Think you want a moving truck? They live in busy neighborhoods. More interested in a monster truck? They like to lurk in abandoned parking lots. Garbage trucks can be found pretty much everywhere. Pick a breed that's right for your home. If you live in a small apartment, a car transporter may not be a wise choice. And remember, every fall, ice cream trucks migrate south. And while snowplows head farther north, have you decided what kind of truck you want? All right, then it's time to track one down. Look for signs and clues. You'll have to do some sleuthing. And always keep an eye out for truck tracks. Follow the tracks until you find your truck. Now the fun part, catching it. Wait until the truck notices you, and then lay down a trail of orange cones. Trucks can't help following orange cones. Gee, I wish I had some way to move all this dirt. Lead your truck to a useful project. Trucks like to feel useful. It will probably get straight to work. Now comes the most important part. Give the universal truck signal. Just make a fist and pull it down twice. Honk, honk! Great job! If your truck responds, honk! You're good to go. What will you name your truck? Amelia? Quinn? Dusty? Barp? Mega Marzipan? Professor Pork Pie? Senor Waterloo? Introduce your pet truck to its new home. Be sure it has plenty of room to play and explore. Better yet, take it out to play with other trucks. While it may take them some time to get the hang of playing together. Once they do, it's pure magic. And that's all there is to it. Congratulations! You now know everything there is to know about having a pet truck. Treat your truck with kindness and love, and you'll both be good to go. The end. Please like and subscribe. Check out the gifts in the description. Please support me at patron.com, Big Papa Scott.